Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngobani na? Ngizokhuluma ngomdlali we-Orlando Pirates okuTito Maswanganyi. Tito Maswanganyi ke bafethu niyamazi. Sehlale amasizini amaningi kakhulu kwe-Orlando Pirates. I think isizini yakhe yesi-4 le edlalela yona i-Orlando Pirates. But ke kuneyindaba engekho mnandi regarding yena uTito Maswanganyi. Abalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ngeke bayithande le indaba lezi. But ke I'm sure abanye abantu bazoyijabulela ukuzizwa le indaba lezi. Mhlambe ke naye umdlali bazomjabulela ukuthi ke athole ithuba elisha. Remember ke uTito Maswanganyi nje wanimbona nje kule insuku lezi. But ke akekho mnandi kakhulu. Mwasubheke nje namhlanje ucoach ke ukhulumile nabeyindaba washo ukuthi ke uTito Maswanganyi akalimele uTito Maswanganyi ukhona kuyikona nje ukuthi ke akadlalanga namhlanje ngiyaza kwazi ke akhulume ngalezo indaba lezo regarding yena uTito Maswanganyi indaba lezo ke eziphecelezi angamele ke asheshe akhulume ngazo publicly. Niyayazi iOrlando Pirates iyathanda ukuthi ke igcine izimfihlo kuyona iOrlando Pirates. But ke ngomkhondo engiwuzwile ngombiko engiwuzwile kuthiwa ke kune team yale Egypt njani ibonakala bafethu emva kwami le team le emfunayo uTito Maswanganyi. Le team ke le bafethu icoachwa uRulani Mgwena, the former Mamelodi Sundowns and the former MC Alger coach ocoacha yona iPyramids FC. Kuthiwa ke bafethu ingxoxo ziyashesha ngempela kungenzeka umjida ke announce as the new player yePyramids FC. But ke okwamanje iPyramids ke ayikakhiphi ifinal word ukuthi ke bayamsayina ngempela umjida. So kusengenzeka noma yini because akhona amanye ama team vele ke amfuna uTito Maswanganyi. They see the player is very very talented. But ke na into engizokhuluma ngayo. I know Pyramids yamfuda and all of that. Mina ke ngizokhuluma ngani na? Ngizokhuluma ngeOrlando Pirates. If Orlando Pirates ngempela imdedela uTito Maswanganyi, where to now? If we really do let go of uTito Maswanganyi, ikuphi okuzokwenzakala kuOrlando Pirates? Because masubheke kuma creative midfielders esinawo. If we lose uTito Maswanganyi, sizosalela ubani na? Sizosalela uyena uMasilela lo uqalile namhlanje wanga impressa. Sizosalela ubani na? Sisalela uyena lo mfana lo uDlamini. uDlamini ke on and off uyalimala phinda buyela, uyalimala phinda buyela. Irenewile icontract yakhe uDlamini vele usazoqhubeka adlale uOrlando Pirates. So mina ngombuzo wami, we released uTito Maswanganyi. Tito njalo we sold ubani na? We sold uMfokeng who was a number 10. We released ubani na? We released uSipho Mbulu who was a number 10. And right now the links of umbani na uTito with the Pyramids, ubani ngempela ozoba number 10? Do you think Orlando Pirates, if sizokwazi ke sikwenze lokho, do you think Orlando Pirates will be brave enough to take money out of their pockets and go and sign that young star Banina Emil Witsboy? Do you think Orlando Pirates will take money from their pockets and go sign Emil Witsboy? Nyamazi ke bafethu uWitsboy ubiza malini. I think the player is costly ngempela. Yabo ula ku 20 million, 18-20 million. Mase uyibukele Orlando Pirates, they really like the boy. They really want to sign the boy. Okuyikona ukuthi ke if simsayina ingempela ama sacrifices okomela siwenze. Yabo maningi ngempela ama sacrifices okomela siwenze and ke uTito Maswanganyi will be part of leyo sacrifice leyo. Yabo Tito Maswanganyi dressing room yakhe with the coach seems like izinto ke azikho mnandi vele yena between yena no coach. But ke sesingakhuluma nje sikushoyo, but mina ngokubona kwami I don't think Orlando Pirates kumele imdedele right now Tito Maswanganyi. Maybe yes ngoJanuary kumele sike simdedele simdayise lapho. But ke right now I feel like sase eli kakhulu. If umasubheke nje kuma stats last season, uTito Maswanganyi I think he's the second player kuOrlando Pirates owabana ama stats amahle after uMfokeng. After uMfokeng mwasubheke nje realistically mwasucheke umdlali wabana ama stats amahle after uMfokeng uyena uTito Maswanganyi. Ama goal wayekunikeza, ini nani wayekunikeza, ama assist wayekunikeza, ekunikeza konke. Mina ukubona kwami I think Orlando Pirates akumele imdedele njengamanje. Akumele ngokubona kwami akumele bamdedele njengamanje. Kumele bazame ukuthi ke bathi kubalindisa kancane lababamfunayo mhlawumbe ke because mesimdedela njengamanje nginjele iqiniso Nkosi yami, akekho umdlali esizomsayina ozodlala unumber 10. Akekho umdlali esizomsayina ozodlala unumber 10. Let's say asimsayini ke uEmil Witsboy. Let's say asimsayini. Who's that player esingamsayina odlala unumber 10? That Argentinian guy who was doing trials asamboja majeshama trials with Orlando Pirates. Ubani esingamsayina? You can tell me in the comments if asikwazi ukumsayina yena uEmil Witsboy. Who is the player ekumele siye for yena? Angikhulumi ngama wingers laba kwethu. Uma uzongitshela ungangitsheli ngewinger, ngikhuluma ngecreative midfielder, umdlali odlala as number 10. a player that normally plays as a number 10. Who is that player are we going to sign? Because today we saw a game namhlanje, it wasn't very good. And yeah, I see a lot of people saying uTito Maswanganyi une-attitude, uTito Maswanganyi wenza loku naloku. Guys, I think we must stop saying that. I think kumele siyeke leyo nto bafethu leyo ukuthi ke uTito Maswanganyi uloku naloku. There are many players in the world. Ukuthi umjidi uyakhishwa osathana ukudlala akusho ukuthi ke umjidi bafethu he's selfish. No, he's not selfish. He likes to play for the team. He likes to play. He was playing good. Some other players, they were not being subbed off because they were abadlali bebengakhishwa. But yeah, angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu because uzothiwa ngathi ke Vane, why are you protecting uTito? But guys, let's be honest, umjida he provided an assist. He was playing very good and he was being subbed off. You know, he was playing very good, and some other players, they were not doing their job, but fans were praising them because I don't know. Fans like to clap hands for other players who are not doing good. But when Tito Maswanganyi provide assist and score goals, fans are quick to bash him. I don't know. You can be the judge in the comments. Wena ngokubona kwakho, do you think Orlando Pirates kumele imdayise njengamanje or not? Mina, I'm not ready to lose uTito Maswanganyi. I don't wanna lie. I'm not ready. Yabo. Yena vele, he may be that he may be that guy obuya ngathandeki, but Tito, guys, come on, it's Tito. This is Tito. This is not your ordinary player. This is not your ordinary player. I don't think you guys understand. Ngangingekho happy silahlekela umfuking, ngangingekho happy silahlekela umbukazi. But yabona Tito bafethu. Guys, yabona Tito.